Are you tired of trading hours for dollars? Join the club. While your 9 to 5 might pay the bills, wouldn't it be nice to make money while you sleep? Or while you're binge-watching your favorite show? No judgment here. The good news is that creating passive income streams isn't just for financial gurus anymore. Before we continue, if you are wondering how to start earning passive income with $100, you can access the video in the cards section. Let's dive into 5 proven ways to start building your passive income empire, even if you're starting from scratch. 1. Digital product creation, the create once, sell forever strategy. Understanding the digital product landscape. The digital product market is booming, with global e-learning market value expected to reach $325 billion by 2025. From PDF guides to video courses, digital products offer unlimited scalability with minimal ongoing costs. Successful creators earning an average of $2,000 to $5,000 monthly typically maintain 3 to 4 different products in their portfolio. Types of digital products that sell. Online courses, $197,997 price range, 15 to 25% conversion rate. Ebooks, $1,747 price range, 2 to 5% conversion rate. Templates and printables, $727 price range, 8 to 12% conversion rate. Digital planners at $27 to $67 price range, 3 to 7% conversion rate. Resource bundles, $47,147 price range, 4 to 8% conversion rate. Platform selection and marketing. Course platforms, Teachable, 5% plus $1 transaction fee. Udemy, 63% revenue share. Podia, $39 per month. Marketing channels, Pinterest, best for printables. Instagram, best for courses. LinkedIn, best for professional resources. Email marketing, essential for sustainable sales. Average 15% conversion rate from email lists. What you need to know. Initial investment, $50 to $200, mainly for basic design tools and hosting. Potential monthly earnings, $500 to $5,000. Time to first sale, 1 to 3 months. Average development time, 40 to 60 hours per comprehensive course. Building your product strategy. Market research phase, 1 to 2 weeks. Survey potential customers, aim for 100+ responses. Analyze competitor offerings. Identify price points and feature sets. Creation phase, 2 to 4 weeks. Develop core content. Design supporting materials. Create marketing assets. Launch phase, 1 to 2 weeks. Build email list, aim for 500+ subscribers. Create launch content calendar. Prepare promotional materials. Common challenges and solutions. I'm not an expert. Focus on solving one specific problem you've overcome. The market is saturated. True, but your unique perspective is what matters. I can't design. Use user-friendly tools like Canva. Free version works great. I'm overwhelmed by tech. Start with simple PDF products and scale up. Pro tip, start with a mini course priced at $27 to $47. This price point has shown the best conversion rates for beginners, with an average conversion rate of 2 to 3%. 2. Print on demand. Your creativity, someone else's printer. Understanding the POD business model. Print on demand has revolutionized the custom merchandise industry, eliminating inventory risks and upfront costs. The global custom t-shirt printing market alone is expected to reach $7.57 billion by 2028, with POD sellers taking an increasingly larger share. Popular POD products and their margins. T-shirts and apparel. Basic t-shirts, 40 to 50% margin. Hoodies, 35 to 45% margin. Leggings, 45 to 55% margin. Home decor. Throw pillows, 50 to 60% margin. Wall art, 55 to 65% margin. Mugs, 45 to 55% margin. Accessories. Phone cases, 60 to 70% margin. Tote bags, 50 to 60% margin. Stickers, 70 to 80% margin. Platform comparison. Printful, best for Shopify integration, higher quality, higher prices. Printify, larger supplier network, competitive pricing. Redbubble, built-in marketplace, lower margins but higher exposure. Merch by Amazon, highest potential traffic, strict approval process. Design and marketing strategy. Design creation, trending themes and seasonal designs. Niche-specific artwork, text-based designs with viral potential. Marketing channels, Instagram, product showcasing. Pinterest, design inspiration. TikTok, behind-the-scenes content. What you need to know. Initial investment, $0 to $100, mainly for design software if needed. Potential monthly earnings, $800 to $3,000. Time to first sale, 2 to 4 weeks. Average design creation time, 1 to 2 hours per design. Common challenges and solutions. My designs aren't selling. Test designs on social media before launching. Too much competition. Focus on specific niches. Dog mom mechanics. I keep running out of ideas. Use trend research tools like Google Trends. Quality issues with suppliers. Order samples and build relationships with reliable providers. Pro tip, start with 10 to 15 designs in one specific niche. Successful sellers report a 15 to 20% better conversion rate with niche-focused stores compared to general stores. 3. Dividend stock. Investing the slow and steady winner. Understanding dividend investing. Dividend investing is a time-tested strategy for generating passive income through stock ownership. Companies typically distribute dividends quarterly, providing regular income streams while maintaining potential for capital appreciation. Types of dividend stocks. Dividend aristocrats. 25+ years of dividend increases. Average yield, 2.5 to 3.5%. Lower risk profile. High-yield dividend stocks. Yields above 4%. Higher risk profile. Sectors, REITs, MLPS, utilities. Dividend growth stocks. Focus on dividend growth rate. Lower current yield. Higher total return potential. Building a dividend portfolio. Portfolio allocation. Core holdings, 60 to 70%. Dividend aristocrats. Growth potential, 20 to 30%. Dividend growth stocks. High yield, 10 to 20%. REITs and high yield stocks. Diversification strategy. Sector allocation. Geographic exposure. Market cap distribution. What you need to know. Initial investment, $1,000 to $5,000 recommended. Potential annual returns, 2 to 6% in dividends plus potential capital appreciation. Time to first payment, usually quarterly. Average research time, 5 to 10 hours monthly. Risk management. Portfolio protection, stop-loss orders, position sizing, regular rebalancing, income sustainability, payout ratio analysis, earnings coverage, free cash flow assessment, common challenges and solutions. I don't have much to invest. Start with dividend ETFs for lower entry points. I'm afraid of losing money. Focus on dividend aristocrats. The returns seem small. Remember, compound interest is your friend. I'm unsure about taxes. Consider tax-advantaged accounts. Pro tip, reinvest your dividends automatically. Historically, this strategy has shown to increase total returns by 31% over a 10-year period. Fourth, rental property alternative. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. Understanding REITs. Real estate investment trusts are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They're required by law to distribute 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, making them excellent passive income vehicles. Types of REITs. Equity REITs, own and manage properties. Higher growth potential. Average yield, 2 to 6%. Mortgage REITs, finance real estate. Higher yields, 8 to 12%. Higher risk profile. Hybrid REITs, combination approach, balanced risk-reward, average yield 5 to 8%. REIT sectors. residential, apartments, single-family homes, student housing, commercial, office buildings, shopping centers, industrial facilities, specialized, data centers, healthcare facilities, self-storage. Investment strategy, portfolio building, sector diversification, geographic exposure, risk management, analysis metrics, funds from operations, FFO, debt levels, occupancy rates, what you need to know. Initial investment, as little as $100 with some platforms. Potential annual returns, 3 to 8% in dividends plus potential appreciation. Time to first payment, monthly or quarterly. Average research time, 3 to 5 hours monthly. Common challenges and solutions. Real estate seems complicated. Start with broadly diversified REITs. I'm worried about market crashes. Focus on residential REITs. The entry seems high. Use fractional sharing platforms. I don't understand the metrics. Focus on basic indicators first. Pro tip: look for REITs with occupancy rates above 90% and debt levels below 60% of market cap for better stability. 5. Affiliate marketing through content creation. Share what you love. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your unique referral link. Successful content creators often combine multiple affiliate programs for diversified income streams. Content platforms and their potential. Blog website. Monthly potential, $500 to $3,000. Traffic requirements, 10,000 to 50,000 monthly visits. Best niches, reviews, comparisons, how-to guides. YouTube, monthly potential, $1,000 to $5,000. Subscriber requirements, 1,000 plus subscribers. Best content, product reviews, unboxing tutorials. Instagram, monthly potential, $200 to $2,000. Follower requirements, 5,000 plus followers. Best content, lifestyle, fashion, beauty. Top affiliate programs. Amazon Associates. Commission, 1 to 10%. Cookie duration, 24 hours. Broad product selection. Share a sale. Commission, 5 to 50%. Cookie duration, 30 to 60 days. Quality merchant selection. Impact. Commission varies widely. Cookie duration, 30 to 90 days. Premium brands. Content strategy. Content planning. Keyword research. Competition analysis. Content calendar. Monetization. Product selection. Link placement. Conversion optimization. What you need to know. Initial investment, $100 to $300. Website hosting and basic tools. Potential monthly earnings, $500 to $2,000. Time to first significant income, 3 to 6 months. Average content creation time, 5 to 10 hours weekly. Common challenges and solutions. My content isn't getting views. Focus on solving specific problems. Companies aren't accepting me. Start with Amazon Associates. I feel salesy. Focus on honest reviews and helpful content. Traffic is inconsistent. Develop an email list for stable traffic. Pro tip: create comparison content. These posts convert 25% better than standard reviews. Ready to start your passive income journey? Remember, the best passive income stream is the one you'll actually stick with. Start with one method that aligns with your interests and available time. While none of these are truly set it and forget it, they all offer the potential to build income streams that work for you even when you're not actively working. Your action plan for success. Choose one method from above. Set aside 5 to 10 hours per week for the first 3 months. Join online communities related to your chosen method. Start small, but start today. Track your progress and adjust strategies as needed. Reinvest early profits to accelerate growth. Build systems for scalability from the beginning. Remember what they say. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The same goes for starting your passive income journey. Next steps to take today. Evaluate your available time and resources. Choose your primary income stream. Create a 90-day action plan. Join relevant online communities. Start your research phase. Want to learn more? Drop a comment below with which method interests you most, and I'll share more specific resources to help you get started. Note: all earnings figures are based on average reported earnings and may vary based on numerous factors including market conditions, individual effort, and execution.